In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Veloster key fob. This key fob was used between 2019 and 2020 and uses a CR2032 battery. You can change the battery yourself at home. It's very easy. All you need is to get one of these batteries and a tool like a flathead screwdriver. If you'd like to get this battery on Amazon, I will leave a link in the description. You can get them just for a couple bucks. So once you have your battery, flip it over to the back and find this little lever that we're going to push to remove the internal key. You can set that aside. And now we're going to see the hole that the key just came from, and beneath it, a little slot for us to put our flathead screwdriver in. So with the back facing up, just going to put my flathead screwdriver in that slot. And I'm going to twist, just gently twisting until the two halves start to come apart. And then to be safe, you can work your way down, just twisting like that until they come apart. And now we're in. Here is our CR2032 battery. You can just push on the bottom of it with your finger or with your tool, just being careful not to scratch anything or damage it. And now you can get a new CR2032. Make sure the positive side with this battery information goes up and just slide it back in place all the way down until it locks in place. Now all we have to do is click these two halves back together. Make sure it's all lined up and return our internal key. And you'll see the light come on, indicating that you did everything right and that your battery has juice, and you're done. If this video helped you, feel free to leave a like. And if you'd like more information, you can click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com to see the entire guide on the Hyundai Veloster. Thank you for watching.